Hey there, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into glow plugs, what they are, how they work, and how you can fix them. If you're a diesel engine enthusiast or just want to know more about keeping your vehicle running smoothly, stick around. A glow plug is a heating element that heats incoming fuel and air to encourage efficient fuel combustion in a diesel engine. It is directly connected to the engine control unit, which uses a microprocessor to analyze engine input. A faulty glow plug can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car. Detect black smoke coming out from the exhaust pipe. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the glow plug related error codes. Carefully remove the glow plugs from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with the test on the glow plugs. Read the result of the multimeter display. Note that resistance of less than 6 ohms usually means the glow plug is good. Repeat the procedure for the remaining glow plugs until they have all been tested. If any of the glow plugs fail the test, it is recommended that the entire set be replaced. Always replace glow plugs in sets to maintain balanced performance. If you're unsure, consult a mechanic or a professional repair manual for your vehicle. That's it for today's video. Glow plugs might be small, but they play a huge role in keeping your diesel engine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. See you next time.